this place. So I'm picking up one of those jet engines from this plane, looks like. But if this is not cool, then I don't know what it is. What is cool, man? Look at this thing, man. It's something you don't see every day. That is badass. Just taking this plane out. And I'm waiting for my engine. Yes, sir. Waiting for an engine. I mean, in your way, you want me to move?
No, we're good.
All right, cool. Thanks.
No worries with the load you have.
I appreciate you. So, yes, sir. Taking the engine, taking it to the shop. It's my second engine, one back to back. Hopefully I'll keep doing those engines. They're nice, they light. Yeah, we're at the airport in Texas. As you can see, the Texan flag. Look at this baby covered up. Super cool. Yeah, this load is gonna be like 7,000 pounds. It's going 400 miles. I don't want to say how much it pays because it's ridiculously stupid.